Hello sir, I am Arnab Panda from Kolkata. Today I have given my interview and the time is given 10 am but the interview started from 11:30 and it's going 25 to 30 minutes. After that the HR came and tell me good morning and then the HR is a lady and he tell me that to show my Aadhaar card and I already show. And after that, the TR, he handed over to the TR, and TR asked me that tell me about yourself. And I told as I am prepared from Tegantis, and after that she said, you know Python. And I say, yes ma'am, I know only basics of Python. Okay, but I am strong in programming language C. So, okay, then the ma'am said, okay, fine, I will ask some question from Python and it will be very basic. Okay ma'am. Then he asked that what is the difference between list and tuple, and I told that we can edit or update the list but we cannot update the tuple after initialization. And the next question he asked, difference between array and list. I told that array is a collection of similar data type, but in list we can store different type of data type. And I give him example also. In array, if we write int, then we can store only integer type of data, and if in list we can store integer, float, string, any type of data. Then the next question he asked, in array there are two elements, how to insert the third element. I just little bit of confused about the question, and then I take time and then I take 10 to 15 seconds. Then I tell that at first I will check there are any space in array or not. If there are space, then I will write a2 equals to new element. By this we can able to initialize an array. The next question she asked, tell me about break and continue in Python. I said, ma'am, I don't know in Python, but I know in C. Then she said that, okay, you tell whatever you know. Then I see that break is used to terminate a loop, and I give example that if we write int I equals to 0, I less than equals to 10, I plus plus, and if I equals to 5, then break. So it will print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And same as if we use continue statement in place of break, then it will print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be avoided, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So okay, then he said okay. Then he said that you know basics of SQL. So I tell that, ma'am, yes, I know basics of SQL, but not advanced level, as I am in 6th semester. So my college I did not complete it because in this lockdown the class is not going on. So okay. Then she asked me about primary key and unique key difference. So I tell them that primary key cannot be null, but unique key can be null. Then he asked how many types of joint. I said 2 types of inner joint and outer joint. Then TR ma'am said I am done. Then go to MR. The MR was a boy or gentleman, and he asked me that tell me your strength or weakness. I said that I am a quick learner, a good problem solver, and I can handle any situation. So and in weakness I said that I eat too much sweet even after knowing that sweet is not healthy for my health. So then he asked question that which sweet do you like most? I said that, sir, I am a Bengali guy, so I don't know the name of the sweet in English, but I can tell you in Bengali. Then he said that I am from Kolkata and I know Bengali, so you can tell me. I said that Kheer Kadam sweet. So then that's great. And then he said that I see in your resume you have mentioned in hobby traveling, playing cricket, watching cricket, net surfing. So which is close to your heart? I tell that I love travel. So then he asked that Where did you travel? I said that I go Darjeeling, New Delhi, Uttarakhand, Puri and Digha. As Digha is my near, so I will visit once in a month, every month. And then so that's great. And he asked that, what do you like in Darjeeling? I said that sunrise. I like sunrise in Darjeeling. And then he asked that, what's the new modern technology you know? It's the blockchain I know. Okay, then he asked me, then he said me that to tell me about my project, and as I doing the project, I said that I am in 6th semester, so the final year project is not started yet, but I do 2 projects for myself, I can tell you. Then he mentioned a project and tell me that to discuss about that. I tell him, and then he handed over to the Emma. So HR, and Emma is a lady, and he at first asked me that tell me about COVID situation in Kolkata. So I think I have done a mistake. I said that now I am in home, and my parents did not allow me to go Kolkata in this COVID period. From news, I knew the situation is quite normal with compared to the previous. As in India, the recovery rate is 94%. So I think in Kolkata the COVID cases is normal. Then she asked that suppose you are a team leader and your team is not getting the good output, what do you do as a team leader? Late you are posting in Chennai. So I said that as their language and my language is different, I will try to communicate it in English, as English is a global language. Then she stopped me and tell me communication is not a issue. Your team did not provide a good output. What will you do? I said that I arranged a meeting and told everyone we have to do good work and work hard for getting the best output. Then she said, if you do that, the problem will be solved. I said that, ma'am, if the problem is not solved, as I am a fresher, so I will contact with my project manager or my senior and tell him that to give me some tips so that I can handle this situation. Okay, then she asked me that about my night shift, and I said that I am comfortable as I woke up early in the morning at 5 a.m. and I have studied in night, so I can handle it. So then she asked about my year gap. I have 1 year gap, so I tell them that I am, after taking 1 year gap, I am preparing for joint entrance to do good score. And he tell me that, do you have any coaching? I said, yes ma'am, I am taking coaching. So then he said, do you have any documents, valid documents? And yes ma'am, I have the bill of the coaching center. Then he said, okay. Then she asked me the result of my BTech, Madhyamik and HL. I tell them, and then she asked what is the full form of CGPA. As I mentioned that my graduation number in CGPA. So I said that ma'am, I don't know. Sorry ma'am. Then he said that you have mentioned it but you don't know. Sorry ma'am. Then she tell me the answer, and then she said that any question to her, and I asked to go. Then I asked him that I asked her that, ma'am, if I selected, so how our training will be going through, because in this COVID period. And he explained briefly, and after that he said any more question. So I tell him that, ma'am, what are the new technologies should I know or should I learn, so that will help me to work in TCS. And she already said it, and then you can leave now. I said thank you ma'am. And the one thing more, after when the HR is starting my interview, he told me that I see you from beginning, you are such an enthusiastic person from the morning. He said me, I said to him that thank you ma'am. That's about my interview.